Works it wide of the fielder for a single.
The batsman is all set to face his first ball. This is going to be a wide, missing his line there. Bowler needs to be precise with their line and length with this field. Nicely played into the gap. Might get 2 runs if they run well.
Fantastic fielding. Fielder was quickly onto the ball. Bowler has got a fielder at deep extra cover. Oh, he missed that one. Making the batsmen struggle for runs with their bowling and field placements. This is excellent from the captain. He goes from top and in the gap as well.
When he hits it, it stays a hit. Crowd is enjoying every bit of this.
He has connected that one. Oh, just the sound of it makes it beautiful to watch.
Fantastic batting by the batsman.
Pacer introduced from the other end. Captain has placed a deep point for extra protection. Take that
A
goal. That's a beauty.
gloomy walk back to the pavilion. The batsman is all set to face his first ball. Oh, that's good. Not good if you're a batsman.
The bowler bowling from his favorite end. Puts away. The batsman sees it early and plunges onto it quickly. We are witnessing a cracker of a game here. Good to see the crowd getting involved. Oh, that's good running. Very good running. Slower ball is not a bad option on this pitch. He has taken the aerial route and no guessing where it's landed. No worry.
Will he take on the bowler again? Let's see. Oh, that's nasty. The ball kept following him. This is going to be a wide, missing his line there.
Captain has placed a deep point for extra protection. Batsman should be able to run to there. Running has been top class by both the batsmen.
Bowler bowling from his preferred end. Super delivery. Batsman got lucky there. The bowler looks charged up and is bowling good lines.
Nicely played. They can get two here.
Superb running between the wickets by these batsmen. That is good bowling, making the batsman play. Unlucky to not get an edge. Poor shot selection. Could have done better. The batsman fails to put bat on that ball.
Pacer introduced from the other end.
Fielder at deep extra cover for extra protection. Well played for a single. Huge appeal, but not out given by the umpire.
The bowler bowling from his favourite end.
Goes over the top and in the gap. Well played.
He's looking in good touch here.
This is beautiful to watch. He's making the ball top.
He would be disappointed with himself. That was in his slot.
There he goes. Up and over. Superb timing. He is wonderful to watch when in full flow. Batsman running hard between the wickets, hoping for a second.
Running has been top class by both the batsmen.
I just sense a slower ball coming. just into the gap for a single. Crucial to keep the scoreboard ticking with singles and doubles.
Spinner into the attack. Let's see how much spin can they extract on this pitch.
This is turning out to be a spectacular match, and people here are completely into the game now. Oh, that's awkward. That hurt him as well. Bowler needs to be precise with their line and length with this field. This is going to be a wide, missing his line there.
Captain has placed a deep point for extra protection.
That's too wide. Has to bowl that one again. Bowler bowling from his preferred end. Oh, that looks ugly. Batsman took his eyes off the ball and got stuck on the body. Bowlers need to hit that corridor of uncertainty consistently to try and restrict the batsman.
Oh, brute of a delivery.
This is going to be a wide, missing his line there.
Vicious, really vicious, right at the target. Great work behind the stumps. He was too quick for the batsman.
The batsman is taking the slow, long walk back to the pavilion.
Batsman is all geared up to face his first ball. Bowler trying different things here. Ends up bowling wide.